Alright, I got had to pick up a grocery haul from Walmart today, just now. So this is what I've got. I've got some milk, and I've got some barbecue sauce, and I need some parsley flakes. I got me some bananas, and I've been wanting some catfish. I've got some catfish fillets, and I needed some tomato juice to go in the recipe. And I got me some macaroni salad. I got me some onions. I was out of onions. I got me some eggs, and I needed some bluebonnet margarine, and I got me a angel food cake, a loaf of it right here. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all had a blessed weekend.